Akibiishopu yasima Dr. Mugisha w'emirimo y'okushagika yo muri Kampala hamwe n'owaba harukuruga.
The parish priest has told me how much you have supported them. We always bother you here in church in Kampala Diocese, but even at home Barara Diocese. From what you have supported the church, and I'm sure you have got so many people depending on you. May God bless you. Let God give you even more. And from what you give.
Omukugamba kwe Dr. Mugisha yasima mukama omubasiisa okukora emirimo namunonga okutungura ekitongore ky'amaizi.
It's my strong team there. Your grace, as we said, this function was to thank God for having brought us as a team of National Water to where we are now, and also to ask God to give us energy and determination to continue serving Ugandans.
Dr. and Honorable Mugisha are telling us loudly in the voice of Moses, listen Israel, the Lord is our God, the Lord alone. That's why the Archbishop is here. And all the believers who are here now. That's why we're offering this Mass. That's why it has been able to recognize, because the purpose of this Mass is not only because the Archbishop has come, but also because they want to give thanks for good performance of the members of the board. And Dr. Mugisha is very grateful to you, staff, that you, together with him, you have performed so well.
Oguhona nasima habwo mbaregwa abantu abarukozesa amaizi okweyongyera okuruga aha mitwaro 29 okuza aha mitwaro 97 kandi ngo nibateekateekwa kweyongyera okuhika aha miliyoni 1.25 gwaza kuba omwaka gw'2028.
For helping us to increase our turnover from 150 billion to 500 billion per annum. For enabling us to increase the network length from 6,500 kilometers to 23,000 kilometers.
Anet Mugisha ry'omunyishengero kazaha bwa Bushenyi yasima aba National Water and Sewage Corporation obutosha okushagika ekanisa yabo.
Thank you for bearing with us. Thank you for the teamwork. Thank you for building cohesion. National Water today is one of the institutions, the best institution we have in this country. We are very proud to be associated with you. Thank you so much.
Omuganda makuru Akibiishopu w'abarokore Paul Kinantama ashabira abarokore omu Bushenyi empango okurekeraho kwetungura hamwe n'okwehimbisa.
Wisdom, ubwenge, power, obushoborozi, riches, obugiga, knowledge, amagezi, life, amagara comes from God. Yona nibiga aruhanga.
Akibiishopu w'abarokore okushabuka kukozera obwabira rya kanisa ya Kizinda Full Gospel Church aha mukoro gw'okushweka abahure 5 okurwa omu Bushenyi empango.
Okubanza yaba Ailet mugume nasingura bwatunga title ya Reverend kandi twata kubashweka babara biro mu Bible School kurungi. Wa kabiri yaba Anet Manzi, wa kashatu yaba Bishanga Disani bwena rgabu wenju, wa kana yaba Postiano Karyiza na rugabu nyarukuru, wa katano yabari Fizike Didasi obwena ruga omurigara.
Omukoro gwishirwa habe bitinisa bataro bamwe na bamwe okurugombyanga bitari kushana.
Cyo kubanza n'umwegese mici existe bandagere existe garikire nyuma nabo bantu kubure mici cyo mbagambere iswini nawe hawa cyo mukujya nawe how people eat cyo mukugamba how people speak cyo mundebuka nawe how people look cyo yitu esigazimana mugambe cyo still have that challenge in terms of
Gashakwa Dambatadeo na Abraham Muganzi.